All right, here we go. It's JD Tactical, and here we got the Olight Sight unboxing. Let's see. It's taking me a little minute. Hold on. Take the plastic. So here we got the Olight Sight. So it says pull, so we're gonna pull. Oh, we're gonna pull. Oh, snap. A little Olight message real quick for y'all. You know. So I'm guessing this is the charging. There's a little button right here on the side. You can just press it. That's pretty dope. Then we actually got the Olight. This is the red dot. So let me see how you turn this bad boy on. Oh, okay, it's bright. If y'all can see that. Oh yeah, it's ready. Yeah, that's unboxing. Thank you.